Hey y'all, it's Mary, and Merry Christmas to you and Happy Holidays. And I hope that you all are really enjoying this holiday season. I hope that you are really having a good time. It is Christmas Day, so this is the last day of the Advent calendars. I'm super excited to see what we get. This is the Ipsy Advent calendar, and this was sent to me by Betty Vick. She's become a very good friend of mine. And day 25 is right here. And let's see what's in there. I think I sort of remember. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. All right. In here is, let me show it to you and then I'll read it. This is the Dose of Colors Seamless Beauty Sponge. Paraben-free, latex-free, dye-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Here it is. Oh, this is this shape of a sponge. It says Dose of Colors on it. This is a really nice sponge. You've got your flat side there. You've got the point. I love a point on a sponge to get in here. And you can use the sides. Very nice, very good dense sponge. That is the Dose of Colors. And then we have the Beauty Space NK. And day 25 is sort of in the center a little bit. It's heavy. There it is. It says, have yourself a cozy little Christmas. And it's not always easy to open these. Oh, there. I found a place to open it. Okay. This is a candle, and this is a big deal, I guess. I don't know much about candles, I guess, but this one is by the brand Boy Smells. I don't know why you would want to call your company that, but I hear they're fabulous. So there's the top. It's Hinokai Fantôme, maybe? I don't really know, but let's open it and see what it smells like and everything. Let's see. It's very beautiful black glass. It is. There is the label on it, and it says it's a soy candle. Oh, I could read my book about it also. I keep forgetting about that book. And then it gets misplaced. Here it is. It says that it is infused with the scent of smoky Japanese cypress and jasmine petals. This sultry candle includes notes of resin, hinokai, cardamom, jasmine, moss, and guaiac, G-U-A-I-A-C. It's very handsome smelling. I like it. I love spices. I love spice scents. And this is very much that way. It's a beautiful candle. It's, glass, and this is valued at $57. Oh, it does. I can smell that, what it was saying about the smoky. It smells like you're outside, campfire going on, things like that. It's really nice. Very, very nice. I will tell you this, y'all. This has been such a pleasure. I love the Ipsy calendar. I love the Beauty Space NK. And I know that Europeans, English is different than America. And I think what I would have done with day 25, because that is the big day, in my opinion, instead of having the Dose of Color sponge, I would have put the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream in day 25, because this was the priciest and most bougie item in the calendar. And this was in day 22, I think. Maybe it was day 21. So I'm not sure why they did that when they could have put this in day 25. And this would have been perfectly fine in the other day, because it's a lovely expensive sponge. And then also with the candle, personally, now like I said, I know they do things differently in England. They celebrate, they open their presents on the 26th, which is Boxing Day. That's my understanding. I would have put the Augustinus Bader in day 25, because this is the bougiest item. Well, when I say that, this was valued at $92. I think there's things that were valued more than that in this calendar. This calendar was filled with bougie items. But this I might have put in day 25. Since it's a rarity that we ever get it, that's what I would have done. And then this would have, to me, a candle would have been fantastic in day 24, because here in the States anyway, you know, you might want to have a candle going on, for your holidays. You know, we used to go to a family party on Christmas Eve and then come home and then open one present and then go to bed, and Santa would come the next day. It would be nice to have a candle for the holiday time, for the holidays. So I think the 24th would have been better for the candle, or maybe even day 1, because then you could use it throughout the holiday season. Just my thoughts. And if you're playing the treasure hunt, I have for you today the Epione, I'm not sure how to say that properly, the Flawless Serum. Y'all, this is valued at $195, and that is our Christmas Day item. Here it is. It's made in Beverly Hills, and it is a pump. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. And that is that. So I hope that y'all have had a wonderful holiday. And now this is the last video that you'll see with any products in them for the Christmas treasure hunt. So if you have written your list down, if you missed a day here and there, you have until the 30th. Today's 25. You have until the 30th, which is Saturday at noon Central Time, to go back and see what you might have missed and write down your list and get them to me by noon Central Time on Saturday. You can email them to me, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, just like the name here, at yahoo.com, or Mary Catherine Loves Cats, same way it's spelled here, on Instagram. You can DM me there. I look in my spam stuff, so, you know, if I haven't heard from you before, don't worry. If I don't answer you right away, what I try to do when I get your email is I try to look quickly and let you know that I got it and, you know, how you did or whatever. So, but if you've worked hard, you'll be entered into the giveaway. And if you haven't seen my Friday Night Gab from December 15, go back and check that out. I have mentioned it a few times since, but I have extra things going on. So look for that. Okay, y'all, count your blessings. Merry, Merry Christmas. Happy, Happy New Year. Happy holidays, no matter what you celebrate. I wish you happiness, and may God bless you. Count your blessings. And the Space NK calendar, day 25. There it is, day 25. And here is the product. It's the brand Boy Smells, Hinakai Fantôme. Not sure how to say that calendar. It smells very earthy, very, very masculine. This is from Los Angeles, California, the candle says. I thought this was an English thing, but it's a nice candle. It smells good. Count your blessings, everyone. Merry, Merry Christmas.